Find the nth term of an AP 13 comma 7 comma 1 comma minus 5 comma minus 6 so on. Using it, find its first one ninth term, second one 16th term. Solution given. Given series or sequence you write 13 comma 7 comma 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 6 so on are in AP. They are only telling this sequence is in AP. Once again we are checking also after that telling also. Here the first term we indicate as T1. T1 means first term. First term is A. A is equal to 13. Common difference is equal to D is equal to, what is the formula yesterday we have learned? T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2 or T4 minus T3, like that. Common difference. So T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1. 7 minus 13. 7 minus 13 is minus 6. Mentally, orally, in brain you do. 1 minus 7 minus 6. Minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. Like that. So common difference. Though they told also, once again we are checking whether it is in AP or not. First of all, you should be in AP. Then we can do this AP. What is AP? Some body present, mind absent. You have to be in AP. Then we can find this arithmetic progression, this AP. Understood no? So please use your brain. Nth term of an AP we represent as TN. TN indicates nth term. TN means not Tamil Nadu. AP, TN, no, this is nth term. Nth term of an AP is what? A plus n minus 1 into D. Nth term, general term, last term. For three things, same formula as I told you. So Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A value we know 13 plus n minus 1 into D value is minus 6. Now multiply. This is first term. This is second term. Multiply. 13 plus into minus minus 6 into n is 6n. So minus 6n. Minus into minus plus 1 6 is 6. So now we got 13 plus 6 how much? 19. 19 minus 6n. Therefore, nth term of an AP, how much means? 19 minus 6n. N indicates number of term. T1, T2. If you keep here 1, here also 1. If you are keeping n plus 2, there also 2. So this is the general form or nth term. Nth term of an AP. First bit they are asking to find ninth term of an AP. So T9. T9 means ninth term. That is equal to 19 minus 6 into 9. 19 minus 54. That is equal to 35. Minus 35. Next. Second bit. 16th term of an AP. That is equal to 19 minus 6 into 16. 19 minus 96 is minus 77. 10th one. How many terms are there in the AP? 41, 38, 35, so on, minus 1. Solution given. This is the sequence given. 41, 38, 35, so on, minus 1 are in AP. Their problem itself they are telling it is in AP. So here the first term T1 is equal to A is equal to 41. First term. Common difference we represent with D, small letter D is equal to formula T2 minus T1. That is equal to 38 minus 41. How much we got? Minus 3. Go for second option also. Check whether it is correct or not. 35 minus 38 is minus 3. Like that. Now, if I ask you this, what is this 41 means first term you will tell second term, third term, so on, like minus 1 is there. This minus 1 last term, which number, which term, first, second, third, so on, and we don't know which term it is. They are asking how many terms are there that we are going to find. Minus 1 is the last term of an AP. In this sequence, minus 1 is the last term of an AP. What is the formula for that one? L is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Same formula. General term, last term, nth term. 3 names, same formula. 3 names, same person, one person. In school, one name. In house, one name. In angry time, another name. You know that one. What name it is? Now, L indicates last term. The last term is minus 1 is equal to A place 41 plus N minus 1 into D. D we got as minus 3. Now, minus 1 is equal to 41 plus into minus 3 into n, 3n. So, minus 3n. Minus into minus plus 1 3 is 3. Now, simplify. Minus 1 is equal to 41 plus 3 is 44. 44 minus 3n. This minus 3n bring from right to left becomes plus. Take this minus 1 from left to right. So 44 plus 1. 3n is equal to 45. N is equal to 45 by 3. 3 goes 15 times. So n is equal to 15. So how many terms are there? Means 15 terms are there. This is the 15th term. 15 terms are there in this sequence. 12th problem. Which term of the AP 72, 68, 64, 60 so on is 0? Where this 0 lies we don't know. So solution given. Write the sequence 72, 68, 64, 60, so on is 0. Here first term T1 is equal to A is equal to 72. Common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. 68 minus 72 is minus 4. 64 minus 68 also minus 4. If you can check like that. So common difference is same. Now which term is 0 we don't know. Where we will get this 0? In which term 0 comes we don't know. So in general we are talking. General term of an AP. Same formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. We don't know which term is 0. So whether T1 or T2 or T3, T4, T1, n indicates which number of term. So 0 is equal to 72 plus n minus 1 into minus 4. Now 0 is equal to 72 multiply plus into minus n into 4 is 4n. So minus 4n minus into minus plus 1 4 is 4. So 0 is equal to 76 minus 4n. Bring this minus 4n from right side to left side plus 4n. 4n is equal to 76. N is equal to 76 by 4. 4 goes 19 times. 4 ones are 4. 3 remaining 36. 4 nines are 36. So therefore n is equal to 19. 19th term of the given sequence is 0. So 19th term is 0. 13th problem. Which term of AP 1 comma 1 1 by 6 comma 1 1 by 3 so on is 3? Solution given. Write the sequence 1 comma 1 1 by 6 comma 1 1 by 3 so on is 3. Now convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. 1 comma 6 ones are 6 plus 1 7 by 6 comma 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4 4 by 3 comma so on is 3. Where this 3 lies we don't know. So we have to find which term value will be 3. Here the first term T1 is equal to A is equal to 1. First term. Common difference D is equal to T2 minus T1. That is equal to 7 by 6 minus 1. 6 will be the LCM. 6 ones are 6. So 7 minus 6 by 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. So that is equal to 1 by 6. Now we got D as 1 by 6. We don't know which term. In general we are talking general term of an AP, that is Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In the which term will be 3, we don't know, we are going to find. So 3 is equal to 1 plus n minus 1 to d, d value is 1 by 6. Now 3 is equal to 1, multiply, plus into plus plus only, and 1 is n by 6, minus into plus is minus, 1 is 1 by 6. Bring this plus 1 from right to left. 3 minus 1 is equal to, like fraction, denominators are same, like fractions. 6 will be the LCM, and n minus 1 will be the numerator. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 is equal to n minus 1 by 6. Do cross multiplication. 2 6 are 12. 12 is equal to n minus 1. Bring minus from right side to left side. 12 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore, n is how much you got? 13. Therefore, 13th term of the given sequence is 3.